Welcome back to Best Trading Hub, home for elite market insights, where we cut through the noise for serious traders. You've mastered your strategy. Your risk management is ironclad. The charts make sense. And yet, the consistent, sizable profits you're hunting for still feel just out of reach. You're analyzing every loss, questioning every win, trapped in a cycle of plateauing returns. What you might not realize is that this isn't a failure. This is the silent phase, the critical, unspoken rite of passage every single profitable trader must endure and conquer. This is the phase they don't put in the brochure. It comes after the basics, after the initial streaks of luck, and before true, sustained profitability. It's the silent grind where your technical skills are no longer the bottleneck. Your psychology is. You're executing your plan correctly, but the results are mediocre, frustratingly average. The market seems to personally siphon just enough from your trades to keep you running in place. This, right here, is where most quit, labeling it a dead end. But the expert trader, the future profitable trader, recognizes this silence not as emptiness, but as incubation. This phase is the market's final test. It's forcing you to internalize probability to your core, to trust your edge on a trade-by-trade basis without the immediate gratification of a booming equity curve. It's weeding out the need for excitement and instilling the discipline of patience. You're being trained to detach from individual outcomes and commit to the process with a cold, almost mechanical consistency. The wins and losses stop being personal victories or failures and become simply data points, confirming or refining your edge. You stop predicting and start reacting. You stop hoping and start managing. This silent phase is where you transition from a technician who knows how to trade to a strategist who understands why your trading works and, more importantly, why it sometimes doesn't. The silence is where you build the unshakable resilience required to hold through drawdowns and the emotional restraint to not over-leverage during winning streaks. So if you're in this silent phase, understand this. You are not stuck. You are being forged. Lean into the silence. Journal relentlessly. Refine without overcomplicating, and trust the process your data tells you is valid. Your job isn't to avoid this phase, but to pass through it. Smash that like button if this resonated with you. It lets the algorithm know this is content for serious traders. Subscribe to Best Trading Hub and hit the notification bell, because next week we're breaking down the precise framework to accelerate through this silent phase and into consistent profitability. Until then, trade disciplined.